Hello, viewers. This is Wolfwire Studios here again, and this time I have made a little bit of progress, just like I do in every other devlog, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So, first of all, I'll try to quickly summarize everything in this video. I'll try to make it short and just a quick intro. This is, as of now, like right now, it's 12th July, and I started this channel on 12th April, so it's been 3 months and I have around 56 something subscribers if I'm not wrong. I haven't checked it recently. So 56 and maybe one or two extra. So thank you guys. Uh, Thanks a lot, and it means a lot that you have subscribed here and you are here with me. And I know some of you are my friends, some of you are my family members, and I'm thankful for that. But even to those who I don't know personally, yeah, thanks for being here with me, and thanks for subscribing. And I'll try to progress even more in this game and give you guys a really good indie game to play with. Let's just quickly show you guys the playable demo first of all. I forgot to disable event tech. I'm sorry, my bad. Yeah. So if you guys remember from the last devlog, I was doing something with the doors blueprint, right? So I really found a quick solution that is even better than, doing a proper box collision thing. And I would like to thank Yusko for this idea. It was his video that clicked on me and gave me this idea. I'll try to link his video in the information cards up there. Yeah. So what you have to do here is just remove that box collision altogether and just have a static mesh. So basically, whatever blueprint you have now will just have a static mesh, right? So, and since all of my static meshes have the pivot point in the right section of the door side, let me just quickly show you. As you can see, the pivot point is here in the right side, and I can just rotate, right? So this is the perfect angle. Similar is the case for this door. The pivot point is here, and for this, the pivot point is here. So if your mesh has the right pivot point, you don't need anything else other than just your door mesh. Okay. So what you have to do here is just go to your blueprint. Okay, here is mine. We need to have a line trace. As you can see, a line trace by channel, a line trace that is starting from player's location using the forward vector. You're using that line trace and you're getting that hit actor if it is valid. And I don't cast specifically. I try to avoid cast, as I have told you guys before, but there are cases that I have to cast and there is nothing I can do. So instead of casting it twice or something, I'm using this simple check, actor has tag. I went to the doors blueprint and I gave it a tag, as you can see, door, which is easier to identify in case of any hit registration if I want, just in case. So actor has tag. If it contains the door tag, as you can see, then I'll cast to the doors blueprint, and then I'll get this function. It is a function. I'll just get onto it, and then I'll set my enum as door. Okay. Basically, I'm getting that enum value, which is door, as you can see. It is being obtained from the door blueprint, and it is setting the variable here. Okay. Interacting item for player. So let's just quickly see what happens here in that door open close function. As you can see, the one that is here, right? So whenever you call this function, what we are doing is we are just using a flip-flop node. Okay. And whenever the input is fired once, it will fire A, and A is, as you can see, play from start. It is the exact same animation, guys, from the last devlog. It is running from 0 to 1.5 seconds, and it is switching between an angle from around 0 to 90 degrees, as you can see here. Basically, I'm using the same code. Of course, I modified USCO's tutorial. I'm using the same method. I'm using the relative rotation, saving it as the old rotation. I'm using the alpha from the animation, lerping between the old rotation, as you can see here, old rotation, and using the new value. The new value basically, you know what, something is oh, I remember. Okay, my bad actually. Yeah, now I remember the problem was actually I was modifying it and I forgot to add it. Yeah, now it should work. So basically what I'm doing is I'm lerping from the old value to the new value using the exact same multipliers, the door angle, which in my case is 87 degrees, and in and out is default 1. I can switch it for any variable, and I'm lerping between and setting the relative rotation on z-axis. Simple as that. Like, that's all. Okay, nothing else. So whenever I'll do this, I can quickly interact with the doors. So what actually is happening here? I need to be at least around 300 units close to the door. So that is, let me just show you. See, as you can see, the line trace ends here, right? So I need to be close to the door. This line trace will hit the door, and whenever the line trace will hit the door, and the player, basically the code, will realize that this actor is a valid door, then the door will open. And since, as you can see, it is already open, now if I'll press again, the flip-flop node will work and the door will close. This is really good. This is a really effective method. Line traces are cheaper in terms of performance, so I'm impressed. This is really, really good. And I'm happy with this method. So I can just quickly go in and I can, as you can see, open the door, and I can close the door again if I am hitting them with the line trace, as you can see here. Nice, right? So this is the first bit. Okay, guys. The second bit was I created this. Oh no, wait, I forgot to show you guys the main gate. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the main gate. Let me just close it quickly. Yeah. So guys, this is the main gate of the annex. Okay, and this is the curved wall, because there was this type of a frame here, and they used to monitor everything that was going out. Okay, that this you see this white block, right? So this white block will be a small room, a checkpost room here and here. It was actually meant for inspection and looking what's going on outside and everything. So this bit was necessary. I read it in the interview, I guess. I don't remember, or maybe in the novel, I don't know. So I read it somewhere. So these things are very common whenever you're making a security compound or something. So that is why I created this in Blender. I'll add a screenshot of making this and making this in Substance Painter, making the door, and I may add the renders of this thing. And also, guys, I made this ladder in Blender, as you can see. I don't know why I still have this arrow component. I guess I need to delete this. It's not useful anymore. Yeah, I need to delete them. I don't need them. Yeah, fine, fine, fine. I don't need it. Much better now. Yeah. So I guess you have seen the screenshots by now. I made the blueprint of the ladder, simple as that. And I made a box collision on this static mesh, as you can see. This box is actually, again, checking the actor hashtag, whichever actor is colliding, and then it is casting to the actor and setting these boolean to true. Okay. Why do I need these two booleans? I actually need just one, but I was following a tutorial and I was really confused. But later on, I created my own method. Basically, if you are colliding and then if you press F, you're able to set those variables, as you can see, back again. But I actually don't need it now. Why, you may ask? Because it's okay. It's a simple story. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, this is the stairs asset. And initially, I had a collision, which was, as you can see, a very simple box collision. So I removed it and I added a convex collision, which is, a complex one. But then I realized I was not able to step on the ladder. Okay. Even after increasing the maximum walkable angle, thanks to my friend for suggesting me, even after using that maximum walkable angle, I was not able to climb this ladder properly. I had to hop on it, hop on every these steps. So what I did was I created a complex collision first, which was fine, but it was not perfect. So I made this. If I can go to the side view, yeah, as you can see, this is the collision. This is the collision box. As you can see, I can just adjust it. And this collision box, along with the max walkable angle, is the reason that I can simply just go up here and okay, I want to climb, so I'll climb, okay, as you can see. And there I go. See, it was easy, wasn't it? So if I'm colliding, as you can see, I can just get down the ladder and climb up. I know the animation isn't perfect, guys. See, I know it's not perfect, it's not matching properly, but it is what it is, right? I mean, as you can see, you have to hop over it and then, just go down. Simple. So what's actually happening in this scenario, if you are curious, guys, basically this boolean on ladder, it is very important, okay? This boolean is being triggered on and off when you are on the ladder and off the ladder, okay? And inside a jack blueprint, inside a player blueprint, what I'm doing is I'm just checking this boolean. Okay, if we are on ladder, then we want to set the character movement max walk speed to 140. That's all. That is why you notice that it is very slow when it is climbing up or climbing down, right? And yeah, that's all. I mean, say here in this blueprint, sorry, yeah, in this blueprint, as you can see, this extends to just this much, okay? If I want to have the effect here as well in these two steps, I'll have to increase the collision box, okay? I may have to add another collision box or something, but I reckon that this is enough. And I know it isn't perfect, guys. I know it isn't perfect, but at least it, does the job. So that's why. So when this variable is true, the max speed is decreased. It is even less than what is for crouch. And when it is false, this will do the job. Where is it? Yeah, this will do the job. This one. Whenever you have stopped overlapping, it will check everything. It will set that near ladder variable to false. It will set the on ladder variable to false. Setting this off will actually trigger this thing, this false case, and we'll have the normal movement, okay? And after that, I can just close it safely. After that, I'm also setting the max walk speed back to 300. So yeah, I know I tried combining a tutorial, but it wasn't good. But I have my own theory and it looks fine, right? I can just adjust the speed whenever I want. If I'm colliding with the ladder, as you can see, I'll walk slowly. I can even decrease it, like maybe I can make it to 120 or something, and it will look even more realistic, especially in terms of animation. And that's all. So you guys have seen the door, you have seen the ladder, and that's pretty much it, okay? And these are the walls. I have completed the walls. Here we are. I may add this as well in the screenshots. I guess I have already done that post edit. So this is the wall. I made it on my own in Blender and textured in Substance Painter. So yeah. Oh yeah, along with that, let me just quickly show you guys that I have done the same in Annex. I'm sorry, in the Consulate. I've added these walls here and they look pretty nice. Of course, I'll have to adjust the height, as you can see. I will have to, move it, switching it back to local. No, never mind. Yeah, I can move it though. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be accurate. Yeah, see, I can do something like that and it will still look fine. I'll adjust it, guys. No issues. Yeah, so next up, working on Consulate, if I'm not wrong, because I've done the ladder bit. I can just copy paste it everywhere else and I can. Oh yeah, also I've added this side gate for Annex, and this is a non-interactable gate. It is never used, so let it be like that. It is a simple static mesh, and that's all. I know a lot is still remaining. I need to add a swimming pool here with the water element. I need to have a generator. I need to have the gym. I need to have the shed. I need to have the courtyard. I know a lot is there, and these checkpost rooms, the gardener extra room, the armaments and everything. I know a lot is still here, a lot work is still here that needs to be done, but it's okay. After that, I need to make the consulate. I need to make the TOC and the cantina, and I need to make the extra room, gardener's room, and I need to make the 17 Feb barrack. So yeah, I know, guys, a lot of work is to be done, but it's okay. I'll do it. I'll do it. It will take me some time. I'm being honest with you. The next devlog may take a little bit more time because I'm occupied with an internship. I'll try to devote as much time as I can to 13 hours. And till then, I'll just ask you guys to be patient. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around again. As you can see, it's still 12th July right now for me. It won't be while I'll upload this, but still, thanks for sticking, guys. Thank you. It's been around 3 months. And yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers.